When we need to adjust the size of the chain, it is necessary to loosen the fixing screws of these panels. This side includes the following. Loosen it and then walk to the side. Loosen the two long screws here. Take it out. The chain can be moved. After adjusting the appropriate size, reset the long screws. Reset it tightly. After the screws on this side are tightened, then go back to the fixing disc screws. The screws on this side should also be tightened for it. And then this is a chain adjustment over here.